Mike Hughes here. I'm at UnBelizeable Travel, and I'm here with Patrick. And Patrick, you want to tell us a little bit about your operation?
Yeah, so we're UnBelizeable Travel. We're all things Belize. We have a variety of different resorts as well as a dive shop. Most of our operations are in southern Belize. Island resorts like this one here that's called Ranguana Key, as well as some jungle resorts, ancient ruins, the Great Blue Hole. Awesome diving, great for families, couples, or experienced divers. Come down and see us in Belize. Thank you.
And then the thing about this island, which is really cool, is that this side you can go fishing for permit and tarpon and I don't know, a couple other bonefish. And then on this side of the island, which is what, 100, 200 feet on the other side, it starts to get the reef, and then it drops off into the where you see more pelagics.
That's
so
correct.
all on one little island visit, you can see all that. And the trips are usually about a week out here, going out to the islands. So it's just like paradise by yourself out there.
Exactly. So this island, it's called Ranguana Key. It's located off the coast of Placencia. So a lot of guests will actually stay in Placencia,
right,
and then come out to Ranguana Key for say 3 or 4 nights. We have 3 cabanas here, pretty rustic, great food, little bar, awesome beach.
Fresh fish.
Fresh fish, yeah, you can catch barracuda, mackerel, bonefish permit, jacks, everything. You can go snorkeling and diving right off the backside.
Perfect. And if they want to see where it is on a map, you can look here. Where is Placencia?
So Placencia, you're gonna fly into Belize City.
Up there.
Then you're gonna take a commuter flight to Placencia right here.
Right.
So Placencia is that long strip. And then out here is the reef, and you can see just tons and tons of different islands or keys. And Ranguana Key is actually down right at the very bottom, so on the edge.
Right next to the fish.
Exactly.
That's a good way to map it, I think.
Yeah.
Just follow the fish. All right. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.